welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a while, but I'm trying my best. I have been busy, but now I am back. I also did some research and I was looking at the data about my channel, and I recently found out that my most popular video is actually one of my hair videos, and it is a hair video that I did on myself about my crochet braids that I did. I did the crochet braids with the Jamaican jerry. So yeah, I decided to do another hair video, and I'm gonna be doing it on myself again. I will be making a wig this time, and the wig that I'll be making is a U-part wig, and also I'll be doing it on a wig cap. So this is a wig cap that I'll be using. I got this wig cap from downtown Kingston, and it is the Stylist Collections wig cap. It has a center parting, it has adjustable straps, the cap is made out of mesh, and it has 4 bonus spring combs. It also has invisible lace front. So yeah, this is the cap that I'll be using. And an interesting part of this video is the fact that I'll be using the sewing machine to make this wig. Yeah, I'll be using the sewing machine to make this wig. This will be my very first time using the sewing machine to make this wig. Make a wig. I have made wigs before, hand sewed them, but yeah, we're gonna do this. Yes. So the hair that I'll be using is the Sensationnel Peruvian hair, and it is in deep, the style deep, 10 pieces, 10 inch 10 pieces really, 10 inch, and it has 3 pieces of 10 inch hair in the style deep, and the color is natural. And I bought 2 packs of this hair. I got it also from downtown Kingston, and I got a pack for $1,700. So yeah, so we're gonna, it says it is 100% virgin Remy human hair. I don't believe this. I don't believe it. But anyway, I am going to, you know, make the wig with this hair. First impressions of the hair is that it is soft. I looked at it this morning when I got it. It says natural, but it's like a dark brown with some, like, you know, highlights, like, you know, oh my god, like strands, like 1 and 2 strands of highlights in each like piece like this. You see a couple strands of highlight. I don't know if it's burgundy or light brown, I don't know, but this is not the regular type of natural that I'm used to seeing. Yeah, but the hair is soft. I like the curl pattern, and I mean, I like curly hair. It's just what I think fits me. So yeah, they also have a lot of, what I like about this hair so far is, or the brand, is that they have a lot of different styles in it, and I think I will be trying out the other styles. If this hair holds up well, I will be trying out the other styles. So guys, if you want to see how I make this wig, continue to watch.
So guys, now I am showing you the wig cap that I am using. I opened it out of the pack, and it came with bonus clips, as I said before. This clip, I'm showing you the lace that is attached to the cap, and it goes from ear to ear. I'm also showing you the adjustable straps at the back of the cap. Cap is made out of mesh, so it stretches, of course. Firstly, I'm going to sew down my first track, which is at the back of the cap. And yeah, after filming the video, I realized that I positioned the camera in the wrong position, so maybe next time I'll show you in a better position how I make a wig. So I'm showing you the first track. I clipped the thread as well to make everything neat and nice. I showed you the lace part, the first, where I'm going to lay my second track, and this is going to be my perimeter track. So as I said before, this is a U-part wig, so the second track that I'll be placing will be at the front of the U and end to the other side at the front of the U. So that's what I was showing you. Then I continue to stitch, to sew. I back stitch at the front or at the starting of each track, at the starting and ending of each track, to make sure that the wig is secured, or to make sure that the weft is secured. While doing this, I'm making sure that I'm sewing the track in a C shape. So I am turning the cap as I go and sewing it in a C shape. Stitch, as I said before, at the end of the track. In this clip, I'm showing you where I cut the lace from the front of the cap, and maybe I should have cut it before I sewed the perimeter track on, but yeah, it was a little difficult to cut it off, but I got it off and I'm showing you how it looks. Yep. So this kind of makes it easier to sew the track on. In this clip, I'm showing you where I'm going to start laying my tracks. So that's where I'm going to start from and end. So I won't be taking it directly to the front of the cap. So I continue to sew and sew and sew until all of that section is filled. And while sewing, I'm making sure that I turn the cap and that I'm sewing the track in a C shape. Not a C, a U shape basically. A U, a U, a U, a U. The reason I chose this cap, well, I saw it and I fell in love with the cap because it was made out of mesh and it is breathable. So yeah, that's the reason I chose this cap. So this is an aerial view of me sewing. So as I said before, everything that I said before is exactly what I'm doing. I at the beginning I sew and then I backstitch. Then I'm turning the cap in the U shape and placing the weft in the U shape as well. So I'm not literally like sewing dead straight across, no. And I'm still stopping at that band that you see. That is where I end the track. So I'm gonna snip, snip, snip the thread. And yeah, I'm also gonna snip the tracks. And the reason that I chose to cut the weft is because it is not like virgin here. So I'm not that careful. I won't mind the shedding. So I am at the front or at the top of the cap right now, and I am sewing in that section. And I'm showing you what is left or how much of the cap is left for me to sew. So I finished off camera and this is the finished look. That is the wig. It is gorgeous. So yes, I love this wig. Stay tuned to the next video where I'll be showing you how I install this wig. I chose not to add clips to it because I'll be sewing it on. So yeah, see you in the next video.